A very warm good morning to all of you, and I welcome to everyone in Moral Science revision class. Yes children, today in this class you all are going to do the revision. As you all know children, from 24th of July your examination is going to be start. So for that purpose today you all are going to do the revision works. So let's start my dear. Today in this revision class you all are going to do the circle the correct option. There will be the two option my dear, and you all have to do the circle which will be the correct. So let's start my dear. Like you can see it as written here, God or man has created the universe. What do you know children? Yes, God has created the universe, the sun, the moon and all the creatures of the earth. They are mainly 4 different kingdoms created by God on earth. These includes the mineral kingdom, the vegetable kingdom, the animal kingdom and the human kingdom. So what should we do children? Yes, so God has created the universe. So there is God is the correct option. So you will have to do the circle. And my dear, and God has created the universe. So we should always keep trust in God and because He is the powerful protector. He is everywhere, and if we will do the wrong thing, God will punish us. So children, what God is, God has created the universe. Okay, so God has created everything, minerals, vegetable, animals, human beings and the okay children. So these kingdoms are created by the God my dear. So God has created the universe, which is correct, God. You will do the circle God my dear. Now after that, next is here, there are 3 or 4 kingdoms created by you on earth. What do you know children? Right now I have spoken. Yes, there are 4, F-O-U-R, 4 my dear. There are 4 different kingdoms created by God on earth. These include the mineral kingdom. And in mineral kingdom there will come stones, salt, okay, salt, moon. These kingdoms will come in. These are the example of mineral kingdom. Second is the vegetable kingdom, like onion, okay, onion, potato, garlic. These will come in what? Vegetable kingdom. And animals kingdom, like lions, cows, giraffe will come in animals kingdom. And the last is human kingdom, and human being can look different in the color of their skin and their build up. They all have emotions, intellect and a rational soul. So my dear, there is telling there are what? There will be not 3, there are 4 kingdoms are created by God on earth. So next one, Rohit gave medicine or injection or medicine to recover fast my dear. What do you know? It is this question is related from the chapter 2, Rohit and the loving cat. Yes children, Rohit, when suddenly Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw, and he felt sorry because Rohit thought cat is very lazy cat, but really it's hurt what the cat had hurt its paw. So he felt sorry and he started nursing it, and he gave medicine to recover fast to the cat. Medicine spelling my dear, medicine, medicine. Rohit gave medicine to recover fast to the cat. Now let's see the next one. That is what? 4th number is here, Mr. Bear. Yes, this question is related from your chapter 1. Okay, God the creator, the trusting dog. So children, here written, Mr. Bear lived in an new or old house with his servant or brother. My dear, you just see, Mr. Bear lived in an old house. Mr. Bear lived in an old house, because you can see there an. So what? Old house. Mr. Bear lived with an old house with the servant. Okay, servant the cat. Okay, but here written there are also option brother. No my dear. So there you will do the first, you will circle it old, and second way you will do the circle servant. Yes, Mr. Deep in a jungle, there was an old house, and wherein Mr. Bear lived with his servant, the cat. So, servant, Mr. Cat was servant in Mr. Bear's house. So, Mr. Bear lived in old house with his servant, Okay, and servant was cat. Now, next. Sibling or God is more friendly to us than our best friend. My dear, God is more friendly to us than our best friend, and whatever God does is the best. So children, we should fully trust in him. Okay, and sometimes the things to be seen go wrong, but in that time also we should not to be worry and just just leave your affairs in God's care. So God is more friendly to us than our friends. So there you will do the circle. What to? God. Now next, Mr. Bear or Mr. Dog spent lots of money to bring her honey, my dear. What, Mr. Bear or dog? My dear, this is the what? Mr. Bear. What honey is the favorite food of Mr. Bear, and what he spent a lots of money to bring best of honey. But do you know what happened, children? When Mr. Cat was the servant of in Mr. Bear's house, when he was cleaning the kitchen, he fell down and he broke Mr. Bear's bottle. So when Mr. Bear asked about the bottle, he said, "What accidentally? I dropped the bottle of honey." So Mr. Bear was very angry and he said, "Get out from my house and don't ever come back." So Mr. Bear spent lots of money to bring honey, and honey, that's why honey was precious. It means costly. Precious, it means costly. Now next, my dear, a cat or next one is here, a cat or dog hid under Rohit's weight. What you all have seen, children? When Rohit was sad and he was sitting on bed, so suddenly one day a cat came and hid under Rohit's bed, and so Rohit said, "What are you doing under my bed? Get out from here." And okay, but cat was not moving, and you are knowing very well why it was not moving, because the cat had hurt its paw. So there is telling a cat or dog hid under Rohit's bed. So what will you write, my dear? A cat hid under Rohit's bed. So C-A-T, cat is the correct option. Now next, the cat had hurt its paw or tail. My dear, the cat had hurt its paw. That's why cat was not moving, and Rohit thought it is very lazy cat. So Rohit was telling, "Get out from here." But what was the fact, my dear? Cat had hurt its paw. Paw, it means animal foot. You will do in the circle paw, P-A-W, paw. You can see in this picture also. Now next, Mr. Cat slept on dry or wet floor. My dear, when cat was cleaning the kitchen, and he was and that is what already you are knowing, and Mr. Cat was cleaning the kitchen with waters. So when cat was cleaning the kitchen, suddenly he fell down and he dropped the bottle of honey on and Mr. Cat slept on what? Wet floor, not dry. Okay, so there you will do the circle wet. Mr. Cat slept on wet floor. Mr. Cat slept on wet floor, and he broke Mr. Bear's bottle of honey. And that the last one is here. Rohit started to hate or love the cat. My dear, when Rohit felt sorry for the cat and started nursing it, and soon Rohit and the cat became good friends. Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat, and before long the cat gave birth to the 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the cat with great love and care. So Rohit started hate? No, love. Rohit started love the cat with great love and care. So Rohit started love the cat. Okay, children, so hope you all have understood very nicely. Once again I am repeating, you all will do this work in your copy. So first one, you can see God has created the universe. You will do the circle in God. There are 4 kingdoms created by God on earth. Rohit gave medicine to the cat to recover fast to the cat. Okay, Mr. Bear lived in what? An old house with his servant. Sibling, not. God is more friendly to us than our best friend. Mr. Bear spent lots of money to bring with what? Honey. Okay, a cat hid under Rohit's bed. The cat had hurt its paw. Mr. Cat slept on wet floor. And last one is Rohit started love to the cat with great care. Okay, children. So hope you all have understood. So at last I would like to tell you, my dear, thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day, and what, just complete this homework in your copy. So thank you everyone, and bye bye you all.